So let's look at BTC on a 30, 45 minute time frame and see the price action will draw from the movement of the pair. See, the market already gave us a clue as to where it was coming for a potential buy opportunity, but we used a wrong approach in our analysis on Sunday, and henceforth we will begin to apply multiple time frame analysis instead of looking at 4 hours alone. We scale down to 45 and 30 minutes to look at pattern. Trading is technically pattern. The pattern you see with what will continue to play out every other time. So we yes, it was in profit, but the idea of using a market structure to trade is to get into the market on a sniper entry. You know, the and I will say it again that we take correction for what we did yesterday, and we promise to do better. The trade actually came and bought, but that was not my intention. My intention was sniper entry. If it's not sniper entry, I don't want to get into any trade that is not a sniper entry trade. The idea of getting into a trade on a sniper entry allows you to grow your account. You can grow a small account, a big account if you study liquidity concept, getting into the market when liquidity is being swept. So if you are getting into a buy liquidity sweep, you get in on time. You're getting into a sell liquidity sweep, you need to get on time. Everything has to be on time. The earlier you are, the better. Like for BTC, the setup was a very nice setup. The price keep updating series of supply roof. So I take correction to we were right yesterday, but that is not my intention. My intention is to get into the market on a sniper entry. The whole idea is to get into the market on a sniper entry. If it's not sniper entry, it's not important to me. All we are doing and keep modifying our strategy is to learn to get into the market on a sniper entry. Point of entry must come in with a minimal stop loss. You don't need to get into the market with a huge exposure of stop loss. That is not what we need. We are not interested in that. And from what we are seeing on 45 minutes, it actually shows that the next sell price action will come from 45 minutes price movement. And I will tell you that the recovery from the bottom may actually push price to a new high. But we will stick to this 45-minute time frame because of the cleanliness of the structure. So the idea of the whole thing is to be in a winning trade, and not just in a winning trade, but we want to be in a winning trade on a sniper entry. Price updating series of demand flow before break of the demand flow. So we expect him after returning here to come to this place. So 109. It makes a whole decent sense to sell from that level. So ladies and gentlemen, we take a correction from our analysis yesterday, though it's correct, but I am not pleased. I am not convinced with that. You can't become a trader of millionaire status with that kind of entry. That entry is going to hit your stop loss. So henceforth, we will always look down 40, 30 minutes, 40, 30 minutes. So every chart we have must come down to 40, 30, 45 minutes and 30 minutes henceforth. Every chart must come down because when you come down to lower time frame, you actually see the pattern the market has created. You will see as well the trend angle. Now everything is clear. Now we have our sell zone. So most likely the market will continue to push until it gets into this level. But there are parameters that must be fulfilled before we have a push into that zone. And one of those parameters to watch is let's see if we have outbreak of structure from the roof. Um, we have here Let's see what it comes up with. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's see. Because this is already a structure before a breakout and followed by a retest. So we need to see what we can make out of that in 45 minutes. This was already a structure which I don't like this structure. We have a structure at this level. We have here a month long, and we must bear in mind that if the structure is not coming clean, then there is no need. Just forget about it. To get into a dirty structure does not make any sense. Does not make any logical sense to be in a dirty structure. It does not make any logical sense. So all we are looking out for is a clean structure that we can leverage on. We have a structure at this level, and the price is respecting 99.495 on 45 minutes time frame. So we want to see a breakout of that structure, and we are looking out to see what else we can get. Let's see. Let's see what price does at this level. Watch and see if we will have a clean breakout in this area. If you are, we're looking for a reason to go high. We're looking for a reason to go high. So if you're already high and you want to open more position, you need a good reason. Right, create here a series of demand floor break of structure, return here and retest. So we want to see a tap into this structure and see what price does at that level. So if it breaks that level, then we automatically start adjusting our bias to add more buy position. So we're gonna watch that to see what it does at that level. I like that structure. I want to see what price does. So if it dips into that structure and breaks the structure, we want to dip into this structure. If it breaks the structure, then we will wait for a test and possibly look for an opportunity to return to the roof at 105. And the break of the roof will further go higher. So I think the recovery at that level was a welcome approach. So we want to see how that buy is sustained. Because if you look at the structure, you are going to find that the market is also exposed at the moment for a potential bullish opportunity. And we have a breakout from the roof, and after that breakout from the roof, we have had a considerable break of the demand floor of this intending bullish channel. It didn't make it to the roof and price broke out. And technically, we want a retest, and a retest into this bullish 45 minutes ascending channel will ultimately move price into 109. And 109 will be a direct confrontation to our current high. It's a direct confrontation to our current high. And we want to see that. And not just only seeing it, we want to see a break of that high. So if price comes in into that zone, most likely it might come with a strong momentum that will have the capacity to break that structure. So if we're coming into that structure anytime, there's a very high probability that the 109 will be retested. And if it comes, it will come on double confluence, where a horizontal supply roof meets an ascending supply roof. You can see price already broke out from the structure. Look at the structure here. Already there is a breakout on 45 minutes. So what we want is if buying is sustained and it comes to this area, it will come here on double confluence because we already have a supply roof and we also have an ascending trend line, making it a double conference trade. But at this moment, we have a price action at 99.495, and it seems that the price is respecting it. But whatever it does, we will also want to watch the break of this level because it becomes a two-way thing. Price is head up and price is head down. So if we manage to break out of this structure, then it's an automatic sell, meaning that buying potential is paused. But I do not believe that buying potential is paused because this is the era of crypto. So we will technically want to add more position, but we want a break of structure. So we want to see a break of 99,495 level. A break out of that level will further, you know, bring in more retail traders to try to go up. This is what we see. Shavyfxhub.